Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Earth's Explorer and Tech Reviews. And yes, it's really a comeback because it's been 3 months since I uploaded a video, literally. And I'm sorry for that, and I hope I'll upload videos without being procrastinated. And let's go into the video without any late. And let's go into the unboxing. Here's the package you can see. I've ordered this from Amazon and I've got it at a reasonable price. Inside the package you can see the box containing the tablet, and this is a LCD writing tablet which is erasable, and this is 8.5 inches. These are available in 5 various colors and I have picked black from that. So here you can see some details and the pricing details. This is 237 rupees, which I already told you this is very reasonable, and if you're a Prime member you don't have to pay the delivery charges too. So let's open the package. So inside the box you can see the tablet wrapped in a whitish color protective cover. Let's open it. So inside you can see the writing tablet, and you can find a pen and the erasing button. So you can write on the tablet just like this, but you can't erase it until you turn on a button which is at the back side. So here is the button, you can see lock and unlock button for the erasing mode. So it is locked, so you need to unlock it for erasing this. So if you press this button, this will be automatically erased. So you can write anything just like this, or you can just draw certain things on this tablet. But what I felt disappointed is that you can write in this with only a single color and all other things are fine. And in the product description it is written like that the battery life will be for 2 years, but I don't think the battery will sustain for 2 years, as you know I got it at a reasonable price. So all other things are fine, no any other disappointments. So here are some pros and cons. So it is a good quality and erasable and includes a writing pen, as you can see. And when it comes to cons, can be written only with single color as it is LCD screen. And I already told you about the battery life. I don't know how much time it will sustain, but I think it will be probably for 6 months for sure, and I can't say after that. So you must replace the battery. And that's it for today's video, and I'll meet you in the next video, and thanks for watching.